We are here at Mount Norquay doing Via Ferrata. It's a lot better today than it was yesterday. Yesterday would have been actually miserable. That's our guide, David, the homie.
Oh, you got his name?
And Julio's behind us right there, I think. Should be a fun little couple hours. Little practice run to make sure everyone's doing it correctly. Right, Julio?
So true.
No one's
And he
messed
already
up
fucked
yet.
it up.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Kind
I
of.
wasn't making anything.
Relax, guy.
Point those sausage, those dirty green sausages at me.
Oh, is this snow?
Yeah. Don't stop. This motherfucker's gotta throw snow at you. Chill, bro. Told you he's gonna throw snow at you. Don't be nervous, Julio.
Watching the gymnastics. Ooh. I'm like, I could do that.
Yeah, right.
This is not safe.
I mean, it's not safe. It's very safe. I'm gonna go up there.
It's really short.
Hey, not bad. Pay for worse.
Yeah. We're maybe like, what, like an hour and a half in? 2 hours? Something like
This
that?
thing's 4 hours?
Yeah. But it's super cool. Like, I mean, this view is like spectacular. We've been looking at it for the past like 30 minutes. It's crazy, right, Julio?
Dude, it's so nice, man. The only place that reminds me of this is Galveston.
I see the similarities. Yeah, I do.
Honestly?
Yeah. That murky ass water.
A little closer, too.
Shout out Charles Barkley.
The big old women in San Antonio. Oh, no, did he say San Antonio? Galveston?
Yeah, no, he's talking about the big women in San Antonio, but then he was talking shit about Galveston and how
Oh, yeah.
it's murky ass water.
Yeah, you don't deserve to go to wherever they go. Like
Cancun.
Yeah.
You go to Galveston.
Go to Galveston.
Murky ass water. We're at a break spot. I'm supposed to be eating lunch, but I'm not really hungry.
And then he drove across Canada in his camper.
But yeah, dude,
And he was staying in
Snowcat
this
Mountain,
campground
so cool from
outside
yesterday.
Vancouver.
And then
I think
town
it
of
was
Banff
just
right there,
$500
Bow River right there.
a night.
Pretty neat.
I mean,
Our,
which is still less expensive.
I think our
than
guide looks like a young Brad Pitt. Kind of talks like him too.
That's
Right there.
insane.
Yeah, right?
And then
That's
he looks
just
like, I don't know his name, but he's an actor.
Well, yeah, that's the thing, like,
I don't know his name, but I think he's in Max Keeple's Big Move. I'll look it up and I'll put his name, the actor's name right
No,
here.
that's too much.
And then, I don't know, I don't think it's actually him, but he looks like him.
The camping is
Right, Julio?
Dude,
that it
honestly,
could be inexpensive.
anything
Yeah,
Teen
a little
says.
more accessible. Like, you know, minus 35. External batteries.
Didn't know you were throwing that word.
Power in no time.
Bro, the view is so sick. It's so dank. I've said that like 15,000 times already. The view is so sick though. Seeing the town,
That's a lot different.
the snow, the river, all of it. Super, super cool. Highly recommend. Not me. Not Hermione. You. Big time.
Woo!
Oh, I need to look. I think like 180 Canadian, which isn't that bad.
Oh, what a steal.
Yeah.
What up, King?
What do you think of the Via Ferrata?
It was awesome. I liked it a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you?
It was a lot of fun. Oh, fuck.
You said it was a lot of fun.
Teen, I'm not very good at phone camera.
You
I
tell
don't say exciting things for the video.
Bro, I fucking babble so much. Babble, right?
Babble?
Ramble?
Mm-hmm.
No, you babble.
Babble is for...
Like all my responses are like, yeah.
Well, yeah. That's all right. Are you gonna scare?
Me?
Yeah.
No, you do.
I know. So I'm not scary, that's why. No, it's not. It's mental, brother.
Not cold at all.
No, it's mental. It's
Don't
mental.
want to
See the fucking goosebumps, dude.
It's mental.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Ow! Three-sided star.
A triangle feel?
Yeah. He said it.
Yo, stop splashing.
Shut up, T.
Dang.
We're going in.
Nikki just agreed to go as far as deep as Julio is. Big mistake on Nikki's part.
Yeah.
Wait, are you taking it?
I'll stay out here, don't worry.
If I die, I die.
Yeah, but you're not gonna die.
You're not gonna die. It's just water.
Yeah, it's just water.
I can earn my watch.
I say, ooh, she fell in love. It's all mental, bruh. Yeah, it is. You want my shoes?
Yeah, my hair.
Oh, yeah, give me those shoes.
The rock a little bit. Actually, it doesn't feel that bad when you got chocolate on.
Crazy.
You're right.
Crazy.
Maybe you got shoes on.
Crazy. Go. What are you looking back for?
I was making sure nobody was getting close to her. So.
Bro, nothing's gonna happen. Bro, look, Julio, they got dipped. They dipped in. They dipped in. We're here at Two Jack Lake. The tour guide told us it would be nice swimming. The water isn't as cold as it was in Upper Kanaskus Lake, but it's still pretty chilly, as you can tell from Nikki. Dip in, all the way down, all the way down.
Nikki, you said if I did it, you did it. Are you ready?
Don't think about it, just do it. Take your hat off. Full send.
Ooh, that's really chilly.
But it feels good, doesn't it?
It's not that bad. It actually feels good. It's not that deep.
It's not that deep. Just full send. What'd you say, Julio?
Refreshing.
That bird is very close. Stop getting distracted. Bro, get in the pool or the lake. Get in the lake. Don't think about it. It's mental, Nikki, just do it. I say that as I am standing on the outside, not having gone fully in already. Just like sit and lay down.
Give me like a countdown. I can't.
3, 2. Oh my god. Bro, that's so long. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, bro.
You get in there.
I will. It's mental.
No, shut the fuck up.
So true.
It's mental.
Right? Yeah? Who would have thought?
Not me.
No, I'm not close.
Head under, head under.
Head under, head under. It's like a warm bath.
Yeah, dude, it's so hot right now.
It's like a sauna.
Yeah, go ahead and stay in.
You don't need a towel.
Oh. It's hot. So true, so true. Yes, sir.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get choked out for the 100.